Okay, so now we're looking at question 3 of day 2 of the 2021 MCAT. So, first thing we're going to do is question A, which says find the value of this when x equals 2 and y equals negative 3. So we're substituting. So we take 3 times negative 3 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 3. Make sure you put your brackets in because that makes the answer a bit easier to find. Negative 3 squared is 9, so this is 27, minus 8 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8, times 3 is 24, with 2 negatives makes positive. So we've got 51 is our answer to this one. Looking at the next one, we have got another one of these equations where we actually have to make it use windows. So we're going to make it equal to 0 first. So take everything to this side, making it 0 equals 3x squared minus 14x minus 5. All right? So we've got 3 times 5 is negative 15x squared and 14x. So it's 15 and 1. We've got a negative 15 and a positive 1. So our brackets are 3x squared minus 15x, sorry, they should have x's, plus x minus 5. So that's gone there, these two have gone in the middle. Split in half and factorise, 3 bracket with an x minus 5, and 1 bracket x minus 5. So our two brackets are 3x plus 1 and x minus 5. Right, we're finding the solutions. So this one is negative a third, and this one is 5. So A is 5, and B is negative a third, because A is greater than B. Find the value of this minus this. So A minus B equals 5, take away negative a third, so it equals 5 and a third, because we're adding it on. All right? So part B, I'll see here, find the value of V and W that will make this true. So we've got 3x plus V squared equals 9x squared plus, can't read that, W x, oh it's W we're finding, okay, plus 16. So multiplying this one out, remember we need to write them separately. So 2, and we get 9x squared plus 3xv plus 3xv plus v squared. All right, so that gives us 9x squared plus, adding these together, 6xv plus v squared. So therefore v squared must be equal to 16, so v has to be plus or minus 4, and x6v has to be equal to w, so therefore w has to be either 6 times 4 is 24 or negative 24. So the big trick here is that plus and minus 4. So what squared can give 16? It's positive 4 and negative 4. All right? Solving this equation. So there's a little weeny trick to this one. Basically what we can say is that this is g squared to the power of 2 minus 8g squared and 16. So if we pretend that this is x squared minus 8x plus 16 equals 0, and solve that one, we've got x minus 4, x minus 4, or x minus 4 equals 0. But x is actually g squared, so it's g squared minus 4 equals 0, g squared equals 4, so g equals plus and minus the square root of 4, which is plus and minus 2. All right, so there's a little trick there, but it's actually quite easy once we get that bit done. Okay, we're rewriting this to be Q equals So we've at the moment got T equals 7P minus 6Q over P minus 3Q. You'll find this in my tricky rearranging video. So we multiply this through like that. And then we multiply out the bracket. So we get TP minus 3TQ equals 7P minus 6Q. We want the Q's on this side, so we can take that over there and get 6Q minus 3TQ equals 7P, we haven't moved that one, minus TP. We're going to take Q out. Q leaves 6 minus 3T and 7P minus TP. So Q equals, we're dividing because it's multiplied, 7P minus TP all over 6 minus 3T. Okay, so that is the MCAT Day 2 from 2021.